Hi everybody, my name's Steve with SCOARTGLASS. Today is Father's Day, and I woke up this morning and decided I would launch my YouTube channel. The reason I decided to launch this channel is to share my experiences as a new stained glass hobbyist, and be able to allow others to see and experience it with me. And then hopefully I can help somebody out as well. YouTube's helped me, so I wanted to give back to the YouTube community. I've been doing stained glass for about 9 months now, and I tell you what, I got hooked after my first project. Although it wasn't perfect or really that great, I was hooked, and from there I just explored more, got more patterns, and made more stained glass projects. So with that, hopefully you will subscribe, like, and comment on the content that I provide. As a bonus for today, I'm going to give you a tour of my studio and let you see how I got things set up, and maybe this will help you set up your area where you might want to do stained glass. So this is my studio. Over here on this dresser, it's got some storage in it. I have my computer and my printer set up. And then over there, I've got, of course, I keep my patterns, and then of course I got a radio over there so I get music going. And then right here is my large table. I actually found this at a thrift store. It was on sale. It works out really great. It's one of those high dining tables. And then keep my larger projects over here. I've got one going on, Mount Fuji project. You'll hear more about that in later videos. I got a little tripod set up to where it can cover my cutting station and my table. The cutting station is actually done with a moving box. It was a wardrobe box that I put back together and taped up really good, and then put a piece of board down, and then you'll see this is a grid. That grid I got from any hardware store. This is actually the lighting cover that goes in fluorescent lighting in the ceiling. Then I got a little wash station over here where I keep and clean my pieces. And then when I'm done cutting, I can just turn around, and here's my grinder. There'll be a future project I'm going to videotape as well on setting up a watering station for that, so I don't have to clean it all the time and stuff like that. And then I also have a soldering station. I do my smaller projects over here, and then when I have to do larger projects, I'll move them over to the table over here. And then down here is where I keep my glass. Just a small portion of glass right now. I think as I expand and do more projects, that I'll probably have a bigger shelf and more cubby holes to put glass and start dividing it up by color and things of that sort. One key thing is I hung a light to give me a little bit more lighting, some fluorescent lighting, and then the same thing here on the grinding station. Kind of need quite a bit of light to see what you're doing for grinding. On the cutting station, I'm telling you what, if you can go get one of these pieces of lighting shield from any big home improvement store, I would invest in this. This will save you from getting shards and things in your hand. I've noticed lots of Band-Aids. Invest in Band-Aids when you're first starting off. So with that, I'll give you some more project info. Well, I hope you guys liked the tour of my studio. Some upcoming content and videos that I've got planned is that watering system for the grinder. I plan on taping that and showing you how I put that together. I think that'll save me some time and the thing about cleaning that grinder. I've also videotaped 4 projects that I've done, and then also the one that's behind me, I'm taping that one right now on that project. That's my Fuji project. So just be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on the content that I'm providing. I like to hear from everybody and what content that you would like to see as well. I've got plenty of ideas and plans on different projects, but I'd also like to hear from you what type of projects you guys might want to see as well. So again, subscribe, like, and comment to this channel, that little bell. Hit on that so you get notifications when I load a new video. And also you can follow me on Instagram and Pinterest.